When someone says spring rolls, my ears automatically perk up. I absolutely love them. I also love to make them at home. Now, usually with a spring roll filling, you chop everything up and then roll it in the spring roll wrapper. But I'm going to do something a little bit different with my spring rolls. I'm going to make prawn rolls using the whole prawn. This is a real special type of spring roll. I'm also going to coat it in a sweet chili and coconut crust and serve it with a sweet chili and lime mayonnaise. Yep, they're going to be delicious. Now let's get on with the prawns first. So what I've done is peeled these beautiful prawns, and what I like to do is just devein them. So I've taken the vein out. Now you can see that they curl up. I want them to stay super straight as I wrap them in the spring roll wrapper. So my little tip is just to place it on the board and just very, very lightly with the tip of your knife, cut straight down that belly. See, by doing that, we've flattened out the prawn. Now, into a shallow platter like this, we're going to add our coating. So in with lots of white pepper, along with some garlic, and I've just crushed this garlic clove. Some coconut, I'm using some shredded coconut. You could also use some desiccated coconut. And I'll also add my sweet chili sauce. So a good amount of sweet chili sauce. I love it, of course, for its sweetness, but then it's just got that slight warmth there from the chili. It's also like the glue to this, so it's going to bind everything together, just to make a bit of a paste. Okay, we need to season this with some salt, but instead of using salt, I like to add some light soy sauce to this. So about a teaspoon of light soy can go in. Great. One last little stir, and that right there is the ultimate flavour bomb for our prawns. So in with our prawns, and we're just going to coat all these raw prawns in the mixture. You can even get your hands in there if you like, just to coat it quite generously. All right, we'll pop them to one side while we get on to our spring roll wrappers. Now, you can get these from all your supermarkets now, which is fantastic. They come frozen, so you need to defrost them. And what I've done is just separate them, because they can be a bit sticky, and place them between some paper towel. This is just going to make it so much easier to handle. So with a sharp knife, I'm going to cut this on a diagonal, so straight down the centre. So we've got 2 triangles. Okay, we'll grab our first prawn, and we want the tail on the outside, and now we're just going to simply wrap that in our spring roll wrapper, tuck in the side, and keep wrapping that so it's completely coated. And you can see I've just got that tail exposed, just so you've got a little handle to hold on to when you eat them, and also for presentation-wise, they look fantastic, don't they? All right, I'm gonna make the rest of these, and then I'm going to spray them with oil and then cook them in the air fry. All right, let's have a look at them. Ooh, crispy, fantastic. So what I'm doing now is just taking them out and placing them into a serving bowl. Look at them, I love how they're so crispy, golden brown from the air fryer. And you can see how straight their bodies stayed because we made that little incision on the prawn. Okay, we've got to serve this with a sauce. So into a bowl, I'll add some mayonnaise, just some whole egg mayonnaise, along with some more sweet chili sauce, and for that zingy fresh flavour, some lime juice. So I'll just use my nifty juicer here, and we'll squeeze about half of this because they're quite juicy. Okay, quick little stir. Combine all of that together, and you can see that I've garnished this just with some mint and some coriander. If you like, you could serve these in little lettuce cups, so crunchy, a little bit Vietnamese style. I like this at a party. We'll just pour a lovely sauce in there. And that's a really special way of making spring rolls. I love how they're coated in sweet chili and coconut, and then served with this really nice mayonnaise and sweet chili. And the best thing about them is they're so easy to do in the air fryer. So good.